everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Opel Motorhome, a modern take on freedom, designed for adventure and built with German precision. At first glance, the Opel Motorhome impresses with a sleek, aerodynamic design. Unlike bulky RVs, it's compact enough to navigate city streets, yet spacious enough to feel like a rolling studio apartment. LED matrix headlights and dynamic lines give it a futuristic yet friendly look. Step inside and you're greeted by an intelligently laid-out interior. With seating for four, a convertible dining space, a pop-up sleeping area, and a full kitchenette, this is tiny living reimagined. Opel's designers have maximized every inch using sustainable materials and modular furniture. The 2025 model includes an induction cooktop, compact refrigerator, and even a clever slide-out bathroom with a shower and composting toilet, all designed for off-grid living. Solar panels on the roof and a 7.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack power essentials, while optional all-wheel drive ensures you're not limited to paved roads. Under the hood, the Opel Motorhome runs on a 2.0L turbo diesel hybrid powertrain, offering up to 450 miles of range on a full tank and charge. It's not a speed demon, but with 190 horsepower and smooth torque delivery, it's more than capable on highways and mountain roads alike. Driving is made easier with Opel's latest infotainment suite, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen, real-time route optimization, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. All the tech you'd expect in a modern car, now in your home on wheels. The 2025 Opel Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're chasing sunsets or just escaping the 9-to-5, this van blends comfort, sustainability, and versatility like never before. Hit the road. Stay home. Do both with the Opel Motorhome.